The AO Drift Kit is here. You're saying, Pete, I can see there's a pod device on the table.
There's a pod device on the table.
But it's a pod device like never before, AJ.
Okay.
Because AOKIT
Yes.
bring us the snow globe of vaping.
All right.
Right, it's a pre-filled pod, AJ. It has... I like how you've gone straight in to show off the snow globe effect. 550 milliamp hour built-in battery.
I mean, there's so much to say about this.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Give it a shake. Give it a shake. Oh, now turn over. Snow globe.
Wow. Okay. What
Wait
about
for this one.
What's this one do? Give it a shake. Okay.
Shake, 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 shake. Turn over. Woo!
And this one?
Shake, 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 shake. That's a bit slow. It's a bit slow. Your shaking wasn't very good on that one.
No, it's difficult. And what I also love is that the pods, if we pay attention to the second camera, are called Dr. Pod.
Yeah.
So call the doctor. It's time for the AO kit.
Oh, I like it. I like it.
That's right. I'm
Look,
here all week.
There is a huge range of pre-filled flavors. So this is vaping simplicity. You get your device and then you just pick up a pre-filled pod.
Yes.
So if you want, you could have multiple pods going at the same time.
Yeah. Just
You go,
pop, pop.
I'm gonna go from popcorn. Now I fancy a bit of apple.
Interesting choices.
It could be. It could be. I say popcorn because that is one of the flavors that I've tried and I really like.
11 flavour pods to choose from, which is a weird number,
Yes.
but such a huge diverse range that
I'm gonna call them out, AJ.
just be really careful with those boxes though, Peter. It's almost like you've never done this before.
I'm going to end up in YouTube prison
Yes.
again, aren't I?
Yes.
AJ, we've got mint ice. We've got blueberry blackcurrant. We've got mango. We have
Sour apple.
popcorn.
Mango again.
Yeah, you can say it.
Mango. Orange soda. Something lich. Rose litchi. What's a rose litchi?
Right, it's like lychee, but it's kind of shisha.
Watermelon bubble gum. Kiwi passion fruit. And blueberry raspberry.
Okay, now we've done that, let's vape the popcorn.
I'm going to take this one, which is a mystery vape.
And I can tell you, these taste incredible. I've never had a flavour popcorn that is literally like popcorn. It is the sweet caramel flavour
I can
of
smell it.
the roasted
I can smell
popcorn.
it. Sour apple is, well, it's just a great sour apple. It's very sour, very sweet. I want to try popcorn there as well.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
or actually,
crack on.
should we...
Swap pods. That's very clever. Here is my pod, and it just literally says AOKIT popcorn with a little magnet on the bottom. So I'll pass this one to you. And I will take
and you literally
your
just drop it
sour
in. Okay,
apple.
there's literally nothing to know about that. And also, whilst I vape, I get to look at this cool... Wow.
It's not like they go in just a certain way either. They
just drop
literally
in.
Just drop in, yeah.
It's a square
Okay.
pod. It just drops in. There you go.
I mean, it's the disposable flavour that you expect.
That is a
Super,
toasty
super sweet.
popcorn.
Yeah, now, do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
You're at the cinema and you got that sticky caramelised popcorn.
Yeah.
The butterscotch flavour.
Yeah. The
Full
best.
of it. But the bizarre thing is, normally you can get that butterscotch flavour, but you can't get the popcorn.
Yeah.
Whereas this leaves you with the taste of the popcorn.
It actually tastes of popcorn. That is quite bizarre.
No, that is crazy, AJ.
Yeah.
That is crazy. That's what that is. This one, however, is just sour apple, and it's sour apple like you would expect from a disposable. It's hard to get as excited as I got about the popcorn.
Do you want the popcorn back?
I did really like the popcorn.
Yes.
Now, your one shakes better than mine. Oh, you've got to really, really shake it. So you need strong wrists.
Get your wrist action in there. That's it. Yeah, very good.
Okay, now,
Let's
once
see.
you've given it a good shake, drop down to the other camera. Are you ready to see the reveal from all of my hard work?
Just looks orange.
Wait. Am I doing something wrong?
Or you could,
Oh, I think I've overshaked.
I mean,
Right, I'm going to swap to another device.
yeah, all right.
I'm going to go for mint ice. I'm going to hide the box. So don't panic. I've hidden the box. Nobody can see what I'm doing.
Yeah. It kind of looks weird what you're doing under the table there, Pete.
I'm trying to do it without the box on show.
It's always hard to do it when you can't see the box, isn't it? Yeah, sometimes you just need a helping hand.
I got this. I can do it on my...
You can do it with your eyes shut, can you?
I need to have a look.
Yeah, it's always better when you look. It's easier to... Oh. Yeah, okay.
I got it. Right.
Wow.
Unfortunately, because of YouTube rules, sometimes there can be too many details on a box, web addresses, that sort of thing. We don't want to get in trouble.
Again.
So you've got
For
to
the third time.
reach under the table, have a little rummage around, and away you go.
I'm excited.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm in. I've gone
You
for
need
the
to take the
classic.
tab off the bottom?
Did I? No, just a tab in the top on this
No,
one.
you're not listening to me. Tab off the bottom of the mod.
Oh, I see where you're coming from. I've gone for the exclusive green that's never been used before.
Wow. With actions like that, you could start an unboxing channel.
So on here, mint ice.
Mint ice. Straight up. Gone for a green device to match his top and the mint flavour.
That is minty.
Is it icy though?
It is disposable icy, but only 2 ice cubes in a drink kind of level.
Okay.
It's not freezing.
No.
It's super refreshing. It's actually like a chewing gum that I know. It's a really, really subtle, smooth chewing gum. You know, the
Yes.
one with the powder on the long stick?
Yes. It's like a spearmint Wrigley's.
Spearmint, that's the one. Wrigley's spearmint.
I'm here for all your chewing gum needs.
That was good.
If you ever got a chewing gum mystery, just write to me, leave a comment.
AJ, I've got to say, these are 5%, and I'm kind of feeling a little bit nicked out. I'd love to try more of the flavours, but I'm a little bit like...
As soon as I vaped the first one, I was like, whoa!
Yeah.
That's strong.
So obviously, TPD regions,
That's a no-no.
they're going to be 2%
Yes.
and 2 mil.
Yes.
Outside of TPD regions, where you crazies, like 5%, fill your boots.
I don't know how you do it,
I
because
don't
that's
know.
gone straight to my head.
That is strong. That's strong. So what I can say is the Nick salt in these is very effective.
Yes, yeah.
Flavors are good.
And it's
I'd
a
like to
kitsch
try more,
kind of design. If that's your thing, then that's your
It's
thing.
something different. I've never seen a snow globe vape before, and yeah, like you say, if that's your thing, there's a snow globe vape now.
Who would have thought?
There you go. Only in vaping, there's a bit of everything. Super, super tasty flavors. Unique style of design for the pod.
Love the pod design.
A pod over a disposable any day. Pre-filled pod
Yes.
is going to be far more efficient
Yeah.
than throwing away batteries.
Charge this up, throw the top bit away.
Simple.
Less waste, more sustainable, easier vaping.
That is AOKIT. So if you've made it to the end of this video and managed to see us successfully nicked out from the AOKIT
I'm still
drift, thanks for bearing with us. 5% is strong. It's
too strong.
Outside of TPD regions, you're hardcore. There'll be a TPD region version, I'm sure. But if you want to talk about this, use the comments section. If you want to tell us that you love my shirt, hit the like button. If you dislike AJ, hit the like button. The other thumb, I'm not really sure what it's for. But there's also a bell over there. If you found him like a bell end, because it's the end of the video, hit that.
I see. Okay.
That's pretty much all. And nobody really wants to hear from AJ. Channel memberships and stuff he normally talks about. There's that. You could do it. Bye.
Oh.